Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check tagged Instagram stories. So for this, open the Instagram app and now go in the profile icon. You can also see the heart notification. In the notifications you will also find the tagged stories. If the story is tagged you old, so you will just go in many, scroll down, and the second option is go in the profile icon and click to the top right corner of three lines, and now click to your activity, and from here you will just tap to tags. So from here is the tagged stories and photos are all in one in just one tags. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.